Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, making money with AI. Specifically, we'll be exploring digital products you can sell. As AI continues to revolutionize various industries, it presents incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs and content creators to generate income. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of AI-powered digital products. When it comes to AI-powered digital products, the possibilities are virtually endless. Let's explore some of the most popular and profitable options you can consider. First on our list is AI-generated content. With the advancements in natural language processing, AI algorithms can now generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media captions, and even entire books. As a content creator, you can leverage this technology to provide clients with well-written, SEO-friendly content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. But don't worry, this doesn't mean AI will replace human creativity. Instead, it can be a powerful tool to enhance productivity and assist in generating ideas. Imagine having an AI assistant that can brainstorm ideas, provide inspiration, and even suggest improvements for your content. With AI-generated content, you can focus more on the creative aspects of your work while letting the algorithms handle the time-consuming tasks. It's a win-win situation where AI becomes your trusted collaborator, helping you deliver high-quality content faster than ever before. So, whether you're a blogger, a copywriter, or a social media manager, incorporating AI-generated content into your workflow can unlock new levels of efficiency and unleash your creative potential. Next up, we have AI-powered mobile applications. These apps utilize machine learning and computer vision to offer unique experiences to users. From virtual makeup try-ons and personalized fitness coaches to AI-powered photo editing and language learning apps, the market is ripe with opportunities to create and sell digital products that enhance people's lives. Imagine being able to try on different makeup looks virtually, without the hassle of visiting a store or purchasing multiple products. With AI-powered mobile apps, users can get a realistic preview of how different shades and styles will look on them, making it easier to make confident purchasing decisions. Similarly, personalized fitness coaches powered by AI algorithms can provide tailored workout plans, track progress, and offer real-time feedback. This level of customization and guidance can greatly enhance the fitness journey for individuals, leading to better results and increased motivation. AI-powered photo editing apps take ordinary smartphone pictures and transform them into stunning works of art. With intelligent algorithms that analyze the content, lighting, and composition, these apps can enhance colors, remove unwanted elements, and apply artistic filters, giving users professional-level edits with just a few taps. Language learning apps, powered by AI, can revolutionize the way we acquire new languages. Through voice recognition and interactive exercises, these apps can provide personalized language lessons, pronunciation practice, and instant feedback. This immersive and adaptive learning experience can accelerate language acquisition and make the process more engaging and enjoyable. Remember, the key to success in this space is to identify a specific need or problem that AI can solve effectively. By understanding your target audience and their pain points, you can create mobile applications that offer unique and valuable experiences, setting yourself apart in the competitive app market. So, seize the opportunity to create AI-powered mobile apps that enrich people's lives and pave the way for a more innovative and connected future. Another fascinating digital product category is AI-generated designs and 3D models. AI algorithms can analyze patterns, generate unique designs, and even optimize existing models for various purposes. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creators and entrepreneurs. Imagine being able to generate intricate and visually stunning designs with just a few clicks. AI can help you unleash your creativity by offering suggestions, exploring different variations, and providing inspiration based on your input. These AI-generated designs can be sold as digital assets to individuals or businesses looking for unique visuals for their projects. But why stop at digital assets? With the advent of 3D printing technology, you can take AI-generated designs a step further and bring them into the physical world. By using 3D printers, you can turn those digital designs into tangible objects, whether it's customized jewelry, home decor items, or even prototypes for industrial design. The market for AI-generated designs is growing rapidly as more and more people recognize the value and uniqueness of these creations. It provides an opportunity for designers and entrepreneurs to offer one-of-a-kind products that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Whether you're a jewelry designer looking to create personalized pieces, an interior decorator in search of unique decor items, or an inventor in need of rapid prototyping, AI-generated designs and 3D models can be a game changer for your business. So, embrace the power of AI and 3D printing to tap into this exciting market and bring your creative visions to life. The possibilities are endless, and the demand for AI-generated designs continues to grow. Stay ahead of the curve by exploring this thriving space and unleashing your imagination with the help of AI. Last but not least, we have AI-powered analytics and insights. Businesses across industries are constantly seeking ways to gain a competitive edge through data analysis. As an AI entrepreneur, you can develop and sell software or services that utilize machine learning algorithms to provide valuable insights and predictions based on large data sets. In today's data-driven world, businesses are inundated with vast amounts of information. However, the challenge lies in extracting meaningful insights and making informed decisions based on that data. This is where AI-powered analytics comes into play. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, businesses can unlock hidden patterns, trends, and correlations within their data, enabling them to make strategic decisions that drive growth and efficiency. As an AI entrepreneur, you can develop sophisticated software tools or offer consultancy services that help businesses harness the power of AI for their data analysis needs. By providing actionable insights, predictive modeling, and data visualization solutions, you can empower businesses to make data-driven decisions with confidence. By helping businesses make data-driven decisions, you can establish yourself as an expert in the field and create a sustainable revenue stream. As the demand for AI-powered analytics continues to grow, your expertise and services will become increasingly valuable. Whether it's optimizing marketing campaigns, improving supply chain efficiency, or enhancing customer experience, AI-powered analytics can provide businesses with a competitive advantage. By leveraging AI algorithms to extract insights from complex data sets, you can help businesses stay ahead in today's fast-paced and data-centric business landscape. So, seize the opportunity to become an AI entrepreneur in the field of analytics and insights. By developing innovative AI solutions and offering your expertise, you can contribute to the success of businesses across industries while establishing yourself as a trusted partner in the realm of data-driven decision-making. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few examples of the digital products you can create and sell using AI technology. Remember, the key to success is to understand your target audience, provide unique value, and continuously adapt to the evolving AI landscape. Thank you all for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of AI.